We'll show you how to use Strikethrough to cross out any text in your Microsoft Word document. Highlight the text you want to strike out. Click the Home tab. Click the Strikethrough icon. This icon looks like AB with a horizontal line through both letters. Clicking this icon will cross out all selected text. To remove the Strikethrough effect, highlight the word or phrase again, and then click the Strikethrough icon. If you want to cross out the selected word or phrase with 2 lines instead of 1, you can use the double-line Strikethrough effect. With the word or phrase highlighted, click the small down arrow on the font panel at the top of the screen. Check the box next to Double Strikethrough. Click OK. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.